We're learning more about another deadly house fire, this time on the southwest side. The overnight blaze claimed the life of a woman in her 80s. Now, this tragedy comes just days after another house fire that killed 5 people on the north side. KENS 5's Zach Briggs joins us live from Ross Avenue near Zarzamora with the latest. Zach.
Well, the fire started just before 2 a.m. and take a look behind me. You can see the destruction. A big chunk of the roof is missing. The house scorched inside and out. Neighbors alerted firefighters that an 82-year-old woman lived inside the house. Firefighters attempted a rescue mission. She was dead inside. Fire officials say no smoke detectors were installed. SAFD is once again stressing the importance of having a working smoke alarm. These devices have the potential to save lives. The department urges people who can't afford a smoke alarm to call 211 for a free inspection and installation.
2 years ago, they were offering them, and I called them. They came out, they installed it, they explained everything to me. I needed the batteries to be changed. I sleep better, and I'm more happier at my house knowing that I have those there for me.
And back out here live, arson investigators were on scene earlier this morning. They're still working on determining what caused this fire. Live on the southwest side, Zach Briggs, KENS 5.